Hey friends, if you wish to change the date and time format on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab and then in the right pane select language and region. Now expand this. We have regional format here. Simply click on it and click on change formats, and now each and every one of them is very important because the default is Gregorian calendar and we usually cannot change it. Now I'll tell you what the Gregorian calendar is. The one which starts with AD, which is the most popular one, and the first day of the week is considered Sunday, but you can change it from here. But if you change the first week from to something else, you'll notice one thing, like the first week starts as Sunday here. I'll show you. If you change it to Tuesday, it will automatically become Tuesday in the list. The next one is short time. So this is the way the format for time is written. Ideally, you can also change it from the European region to the American region to change it into the MMDD format, but that's a different thing. Even in the current format, there's a way the date is written. For example, it's written as 5/5/2024. I can change it to 5th of April. Okay, so there's a way this format is written, and this format. So it will be written as 5th of May 2024. So you can change this. Then you can change the long time, which means that you can create a long time format. For example, I can write it this way, and when you click on it, you'll notice it here. Okay, let me show you. It will show this way. Now the short time format and the long time format. Okay, uh, I should let you know that by default short time is selected here, but you can change it to long time if you need it. There is a way to do it. Long time includes seconds and short time doesn't. However, I'll tell you the significance about this. So this can change you to into AM and PM. Now, one is the 24-hour format and one is a 12-hour format. So if you want to use the 12-hour format, select this one, 940, without a zero in the beginning, because it will pick accordingly. Now this, or the 940 AM one, this will make it the 12-hour format. And if you check it with the zero behind it, then it will make it the 24-hour format. And obviously you can change the standard digits, but you cannot because our system is in decimals, so you can only select digits from 0 to 9. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.